Ang sarap ng kain nyo. Sarap. Grabe naman yung kain mo na yan. Oh.
Ayun, just a small.
Oh, small window.
You will have to put bar
Oh.
at the middle.
The more window because the aswang is coming. Yeah. Nanay Patricia. Wala si Lola. Tamang-tama, may CR siya. Kasyang-kasya ito sa kanya po, mga kaibigan. Tayo. Sabi ng matanda,
Hindi ko po nabalik dito ng mga 2 araw na po din ako.
di ba nakita yan? Nga dito sa mataas. Magugulat yun. Sabi niya ay, bago na mag-birthday niya, January. Sabi ko, ilang araw lang po, tapos na yan. Akala yung matagal gawin na yung bahay.
Kung sana sa bagyo ay.
Makita yan yung bahay niya. Matutuwa yun. Ito yung ano po, mga kaibigan, naghuhukay dito ng sa CR po. Saan yung lababo ilalagay? Dito na, sa tabi. Ganito lang dapat sa mga senior. Malaki na ito sa kanila. Tamang-tama yan. Laki ng kwarto eh. Pangilang araw ito? Pangilang araw?
Pang-apat po ito.
Ibig sabihin, 10 araw tapos na. 2 araw na lang tapos na ito. 10 araw.
Kaya po ito.
Tapos mga 15 araw tapos ano?
Sobra naman yan.
Mga 12.
Mga ganyan.
Tapos,
Pag di pa patalis dito.
ay ano na yan? Ano lang yan? Red cement na lang ito. Ayan. Ayan si Lola. La!
Very dangerous.
Dangerous. What is dangerous? Coconut tree? No, dangerous. You know, very little. Ha?
Very dear.
Oh, putol. Ano yan? Sagop yan sa binili? Yung puno. Ha? Ito?
Paglaki po siya riyan, gaganong-ganon.
Ah,
Under si Straginin.
no problem. La,
Baka naman di owner.
look your house. Beautiful. Oh. Yo. Ano?
Ba't na siya finish?
Ha?
Ba't na siya finish?
Before your birthday, we'll finish.
Super.
So far? Oh. Beautiful house, Lola Patricia.
Beautiful. If this is finished,
Oh,
then I can say it's beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah.
What color? Do you want? Do you want? What kind of color? What kind of color? What color you?
Yellow green.
Yellow green. Okay. Yellow green. Don't worry. I will buy yellow green color. Yellow, green. Oh, we mix yellow and green. We mix.
Yellow.
Yellow orange yan.
Which
Yellow orange. Yellow
Yellow
orange.
orange or yellow green?
Yellow. If you like
It depends me.
yellow green,
I like.
yellow green. If you like yellow orange, yellow orange. No problem. Yeah, beautiful your house la. Very nice. Yeah. We finish after.
How many person can stay here?
How many person?
Yeah. I alone?
You stay. 5 person. 10 person or no? But you stay all. You solo. Solo. You alone.
I like to be alone.
Yeah, alone. No more ano.
I don't.
No more together. Ha? La.
Yeah.
You stay here alone. But you want your granddaughter if you want. Ha? This is your CR, oh. La,
I want to close door.
close the door.
Mahaloding something yung door close.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos.
Oh,
Then I don't like this. I like this one when you tap.
I will...
What kind of that?
Oh, what kind of... What?
With key?
Key?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I will buy key. What kind of key?
No.
Ketchup?
Ay, ano na yung sinabi ko?
Oh, ano daw?
Ano yung sinabi ko? Lu?
Ay, ano yung doorknob?
Doorknob po.
Oh, doorknob. Nay, how many doorknob? Front, in front, at the door, at the back. To doorknob. Nay, doorknob, ha? Para maganda.
Not in front.
Oh.
Hindi padlock.
Padlock, oh, doorknob. Padlock, pwede rin.
No, yung what to put, the one I said, and then at this side,
In your old house, no padlock?
no.
Oh,
Sometimes.
no more.
But nobody is serving me. Even though I'm alone there,
Oh,
even my door is open.
Oh.
Nobody wants to enter.
nobody's enter. Here. Ribbon cutting tayo. Ribbon cutting.
Sir, I don't want big window.
No window.
What is that? I don't want window.
Oh,
Ayun, just a small.
a small window.
You must have to put bar
Oh.
at the middle.
No more window because the aswang is coming. Mac, lita mo yung ano, yung malit lang na ano, na jealousy. Jealousy. La, ano, jealousy o plywood? Jealousy?
Even bamboo.
Bamboo? No bamboo. Snake is coming.
I feel
Jealousy?
here.
Beautiful.
Lagyan lang po natin ng ano, skid matting.
Still mating.
Ayaw niya kasi, gusto niya may grill siya.
Siya. Malapit na matapos, Nay. Your house is near finish. Ah? Yeah, maybe 7 days. Yeah, 7 days more. Your house is finished. Beautiful. Very beautiful na your house is very beautiful. You alone, you alone. Ha? You alone.
But when I am weak, cannot move, of course, I have to.
Yeah, very good. Yan.
But until I'm there.
Oh, yeah. So, ito. Matapos na yung bahay ni Nanay Patricia. Ilang araw na lang ito. Isang linggo.